Okay folks, we got a drainage issue over here that we're going to be trying to take care of today. Rust is already beginning quickly. We get a lot of water building up over here on the pad coming under the door, and we're going to try and get it a little dry creek bed to flow over towards the fence and into our neighbor's yard. You can see here we've got also some erosion. We've already done a little bit of this, and we had a lot of erosion going along this wall here, which we tried to fill in yesterday. And we're going to get a little time lapse here of our dry creek bed build. Hopefully going to go right down here and over to the sewer that's over there in our neighbor's yard. So we're going to record that for you, show you what that looks like.